Hello, my name is Teresa from Learn to Love to Read and welcome to Summer Sounds. The sound we're practicing today is this one, the sound ooh, ooh. It's quite a hard one to say, isn't it? Ooh, ooh. Your turn. Ooh, ooh. Well done. Let's turn the card over and have a look at the picture on the other side. Can you see? It's a robot. And can you hear our sound at the beginning of that word? Robot. Robot. Robot it's a machine, a very clever machine that can help you do jobs. So we'll go off me first and then you. Robot. Robot. Well done, very good. Let's see, I've got a couple of things here that begin with the sound. The first one is quite small, I hope you can see it. It's a ring. 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 Your turn. Ring. Goes on your finger, doesn't it? You put it on your finger, like that. The second thing, see what these are? It's a ribbon. 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 Your turn. Ribbon. You might tie it in your hair. Maybe you put a ribbon in your hair when you've got bunches or a plait. Very good. Now we're going to remember our action that will help us to remember that sound. And we're going to imagine we're a little dog holding a rag of material in his teeth and shaking it. Maybe he's tugging it in a game, or maybe he's just shaking it for fun. He's going, ooh, a little bit of a growly noise. Ooh, shaking the rag. You have a go. Well done. Say the sound and do the action at the same time. Ooh. Ooh. Very good. Well done. So today we're spotting the sound ooh. Words that begin with that sound. We're doing our action ooh. And then we're going to chat about the things that we've found. So I hope you have fun today doing that. Thanks for joining and see you soon. Bye.